Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products available in the market today. If you're looking for a kitchen accessory that simplifies your cooking process while maximizing space, you're in for a treat. Today, we're talking about the best extendable sink colander, the blue GINKGO over the sink colander strainer basket. This colander is not just an ordinary strainer, it's a must-have for every modern kitchen. Let's start with the design. The blue GINKGO colander features an innovative extendable design that allows it to fit over any standard sink. When fully extended, it measures 14 to 19 inches in length, ensuring it adapts perfectly to your needs. At a width of 7.9 inches and a height of just 2.75 inches, it provides ample space for washing vegetables, draining pasta, or drying dishes without taking up too much room. The sleek gray color gives it a modern look that enhances any kitchen decor. Speaking of the build, this colander is made of durable, high-quality materials designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. The construction is robust, ensuring that it won't warp or bend even when handling heavier loads. You can trust that this colander will maintain its shape and functionality for years to come. It's also designed with drainage holes that are strategically placed, promoting efficient water drainage while keeping your food secure. No more worrying about pasta slipping through. What sets the blue GINKGO colander apart is its versatility. Whether you are washing fruits and vegetables or draining cooked pasta, this colander can handle it all. It's not restricted to just one function. You can rinse berries, soak leafy greens, and drain the water from cooked quinoa, all using the same tool. Its extendable design also allows you to use it for a variety of bowl sizes, making it adaptable for any task you need in the kitchen. Plus, it's super easy to clean. Simply toss it in the dishwasher or give it a quick rinse, and you're good to go. Let's talk about space saving. In today's world, where kitchen space can be limited, the blue GINKGO colander shines. Its ability to extend and retract means it can be stored away easily when not in use. You won't need an additional cabinet just to store a big colander. This one fits conveniently over your sink or can be tucked away in a drawer. It's all about maximizing your kitchen's efficiency without clutter. In conclusion, the blue GINKGO over the sink colander strainer basket is not just a product, it's a game changer for any kitchen. It combines practicality with a sleek design, offering an easy-to-use solution for washing and draining food. With its durability, versatility, and compact storage, it truly deserves a spot in your home. If you're serious about streamlining your kitchen tasks and enjoying a clutter-free space, this colander is certainly worth considering. Thank you all for tuning in. If you found our review of the blue GINKGO colander valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. We love hearing from you, so let us know in the comments if you've used this colander or if there's another product you'd like us to explore. Until next time, happy cooking!